Thank you for purchasing a MAXIM hard lid. The following instructional video outlines how to correctly and safely install a MAXIM hard lid and accessories. It is very important that all of these steps are followed to ensure correct installation. Please feel free to pause this video at any stage. Lashing rings fitting instructions. These are the tools required to fit the lashing rings. Use protective equipment. Place lid upside down. Position the ring. Pin mark through the centre of the ring. Remove the rings. Drill through pin marks with an 8mm drill bit. Blow away swarf. Deburr the hole. Turn lid over. Deburr the holes. Put a bead of silicone around the edges of the hole. Position the rings over the holes. Get out the following. Put anti-seize into each M8 nylock nut and assemble the lashing ring. Tighten lightly. Do not over tighten. Straighten the ring using a screwdriver. Drill through one of the remaining holes with a 5mm drill bit. Deburr the underside. Put a bead of silicone on the underside of a rivet and insert into the drilled hole. Pull up with a rivet gun. Lashing ring is now fully installed. Repeat these steps for any additional rings to be fitted to the hard lid and you're complete. Thank you for watching this MAXIM instructional video. Please feel free to check out our range of accessories on our MAXIM Automotive website.